So this is the #1 tool I use to speed up my Selenium and Python development. It is a browser plugin, and we're going to go over what it is and how to use it. My name is Jonathan. This is my channel, Automate with Jonathan, and this is dedicated to bringing people easy, quick content that's easily digestible and applies to many scenarios. So let's just get started with it. This is a Chrome plugin called Xpath Finder. I'm going to put a link to this into the description below. You install the plugin and then you pin it to your taskbar here. And what this plugin does is it allows you to highlight a part of your screen of the web page and pull out the absolute XPath location. The absolute XPath location is it's a very specific string of characters. I'll show you what it looks like here. We'll just go to a website. This is another business I own called Corba, and we can pick something on the website. Maybe we can just pick a link in the footer, make sure it's easy. And let's say we want to get it. Look, all these. If you look in the bottom left, when I click one of these, like let's say, let's get this blog, that link. This is the absolute XPath location of the link I just clicked. So we can click on that, we can copy it, and then we can go back over to our code, and we can use it right in our code. I'll show you how to use it. Let's just say footer underscore link equals driver dot get, or I'm sorry, find element by equals by dot XPath. So we select XPath there, and then we pass into it the value that we just copied. That's the value that corresponds with this down here. You get that by clicking it. It'll change every time. See 1, 2, 3. So it's just going down the array of those LIs down there. So yeah, we're gonna get this bike handling blog, copy it, go back to PyCharm, and that's that same URL right there. Now let's test it, make sure it works. Footer underscore link dot text. Let's print it. So this will open up the driver. It'll print that text, and then it'll quit the driver. Bike handling blog right there. Now do one more. So that's it, everybody. There's a link to this code, and there's also a link to the location of the Chrome extension in the description below. If you got anything out of this video, if you appreciate these videos, please click the like button, click the subscribe button. Have a great day. Bye-bye.